Yamaha's 1.8-liter engine was purpose-built for the marine environment to be big and powerful, as well as lightweight and fuel efficient. It outperforms with less fuel and with less maintenance. It's optimized for regular octane fuel. It's a perfect blend of power and torque to provide class-leading performance with surprisingly less effort. It's clean, quiet, and compact. In both normally aspirated and supercharged variations, the engines were tuned specifically to provide the most power with the highest reliability and durability.